Hello everyone. Let us now learn how to upload a Zoom session on the e-learning platform. So we will go on e-learning, click on it. We will search for our course name. Like I have to upload a video on history of fashion. So I'll click on type history, click on the course name. All right, so now there is a little bit change in the settings of this e-learning thing. So we will go to this options tab, and here upload groups पे we have put in all the name of the groups that जिनको हमें invite करना था. So we have to actually remove those. I have already removed them. By clicking on these cross we can remove. So upload groups में से जो भी details हैं उसको हम delete कर देंगे, and then we are going to save it. Otherwise students will not be able to see the video, and we also will not be able to see the video on website. Okay, so next step is to go on this content tab. We will go on edit. Once we click on edit, there will be an option of add content. Now, as already told before, we have to rename our Zoom session. What will be the nomenclature for naming the session? It will be something like this: class recording dash date. And what we are going to do is we are going to rename each session in this nomenclature and copy it and paste it here. Otherwise, again, the video will not be able to get uploaded. So we have to put this and type .mp4 against it. Then we have to click here, click on video. You have to click on use local video. In case you are uploading any Zoom session on or any local video on the computer, we have to do the same process. So use local video ko hum click kar denge. Then we are going to go on create and edit. Now again it is going to ask for the name. We are going to put in the same name .mp4 here. Now we are going to click on file, upload your file. Okay, so it will be like class recording 19 August, open. The name is going to come here. And we have to click on this box. This is mandatory. So we have to click on this box. And once we are done with all these, we have to click on save. So once we do this, the video is going to get uploaded here. And it is going to take a little bit of time because the Zoom recordings are heavy files. So once the video has been uploaded, it will automatically take up the name of this video, and we have to click on save and close. After doing this, we can see that there is class recording 19th August here. So I click on this. I will click on go to website. In case this error occurs, we will save and close. Why is it coming is because we haven't saved the content. So we have to first click on save so that it moves out from the edit mode. And now click on class recording. Go to website. We will make it full screen. And we will run through the whole video. Now, we don't have to, really wait for the video to be uploaded and it to be seen or anything. We can just fast forward it by moving this blue dot further. That is buffering, so it is taking time. Once it will get buffered, it will come to an end very quickly, and then we just have to publish the page. So once the content has been seen by you all and it has been run through, we just have to click on make this unpublished button into a published button. So we just have to click on this. It will go green, and this means that the content has been published. We will go back to the course, and if we click on it, right now it is showing that it has not been published. So let us see, we will make this unpublished and then again publish it. Even now, if the content is still white, it is not green ticked, you can cross check with the students. It must have been uploaded and must be visible to the students. Thank you.